Hello and welcome to Tapestry Public Charter School. Originally built in the early 1900s.
I really like the windows.
Each classroom is kind of personalized to the teacher.
Tapestry has been through a lot and many different variations of itself over the years. It has been an elementary school, a high school, a middle school, many other schools before it became the Tapestry that you know and love today. But now it is in need of some upgrades.
Our middle school is growing and we're excited about making improvements that will better serve our students.
It's really hard to work on projects because we don't have enough space.
I really like working in small groups, but it's very hard to hear what my group's saying.
As a parent, I've seen firsthand how much children benefit from collaboration and support, but the smaller classrooms do make it difficult for the kids to move freely around.
This renovation isn't about just more space. It's about providing them with the room they need to be more collaborative, work in small groups, and be more engaged in the day-to-day life.
With your help, we're transforming these spaces, turning 3 small classrooms into 2 larger open concept classrooms for flexible space where students can grow.
It will provide further opportunities for flexible seating, flexible grouping, for small group instruction to occur inside the classroom, and provide for an overall collaborative environment that will meet the needs of our diverse learners.
So we can have flexible seating, we can do small groups, and we can really run the class effectively.
I think it would be a great thing to do to expand it because we have more space. We feel a little bit crowded here with the backpacks and everything, so we really need more space.
We're all packed in close together.
That's why this renovation is so important. It's going to help our children have larger spaces to be more collaborative, to be more creative, and just to expand their mind to invest in our kids' future.
Your donation to Fund a Need will help us support this transformation. Please help us bring our vision into a reality.
By supporting Fund a Need, you're not just donating, you're investing in our students. So let's come together and invest in our students.